G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect pork crackling in an air fryer. So good, it's so healthy, it's got lots of collagen in it, so it's really good for your skin, healthy fats, yummy, yummy, yummy. Great snack. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Alright guys, for this, pretty easy. For those of you who have not ever used an air fryer, this is going to be awesome. I haven't been using an air fryer for very long, but I'm just making discoveries as I go, and it's so awesome. So for this particular recipe that I just sort of tinkered around and made it up, you turn your air fryer on. I put mine to 200, and then I just go down for 3 minutes, and this will preheat it. So just preheat for 3 minutes, and when that has elapsed, we will proceed. Now, one tip I have for the pork, having it as pork crackling in this air fryer, is have this out for about 24 hours in the fridge so it dries it out a bit. That I found makes such a difference when turning this into crackling. Here's the pork that's going to be crackling, so I don't know, just cut it into a size that will fit. Just get a fork, just give it a bit of a scrape. Ya ha ha hum, yum ba dum bum bum. Ooh, the air fryer has preheated. Now once you've done that, just get a little bit of salt, put that over the top. Now we put it in the air fryer. Oh mama. So just open the air fryer, press this, and oh yeah. Look at that. Ready to go. Just move this back a little so you can get a better look at it. Now, place it in there. Only one's going to fit for now, but that's alright. So you see that's in there. So we put it in the air fryer now. Here we go. Bring it back. So from this point now, turn that on, put it up to 200 degrees, which is Celsius, not Fahrenheit, Celsius, and I do 5 minutes to start with. Turn it on, and just leave it for 5 minutes, and we'll get on to the next part. Right, the first 5 minutes are done, so see what it looks like already? Hear that? Oh, yum. Alright, so we're going to take that out. So we'll take this out. Now what you do is cut it up into pieces, the desired size you want, and then we're going to put it back in. Alright, now we just plonk it back in. It's already starting to look amazing, and when it's done it will be ridiculous. Now just pop this back in the air fryer at 200 Celsius for 10 minutes. Alright, let's put that in. There we go, ready. Then we'll do it for 10 minutes. And then when this is done, we turn it over to the other side and do it for 10 minutes. And that should be done. 20 minutes and you've got amazing air fryer pork crackling. Ooh. Just wanted to quickly show you a cool feature of the air fryer. See, it's got 4 minutes to go on this thing. I can take this out. Look at that. See how it's coming along? I can just put it back in and it continues where it left off. That's a good way to test how things are going, particularly when you're getting to know your air fryer. So I found this to be a really handy feature that doesn't reset itself. Alrighty, looking pretty good. Now we'll just turn them over and do another 10 and that'll be it. They'll be done. Oh, look how good that's looking already. Let's go again. Oh, mama crackle. Let's have a look at this. Oh my flaming schleeman, look at that. Look at that crackling. Look at the yumminess. Look. Now just let it cool, 10-15 minutes before you eat it. You don't want to burn yourself. I mean, unless you're into that, then go straight in. I'm not going to judge you. Well, I hope you like this. Look at that. Alrighty, let's grab this one. Look at that. Whoa. Oh. Oh. That is sensational. Holy flamin' schleeman. I used to make pork crackling in the oven. No, I'm looking there. The oven's there, but you can't see it. It used to take, I can't even remember now. It's like well over an hour and a half maybe to get it right. Here, 1/4 of that time, maybe a third at most. Oh. I'll see you next time for my next meal.